Breathe Lodge Residence is a contemporary residential project designed for a family seeking to escape the fast pace of urban life. Located within the natural forest landscape of Quebec, Canada, the project was shaped by a philosophy that aims to live in harmony with nature rather than dominate it. The irregular floor plan follows the site's natural walking paths, guiding residents and visitors between the lake and the forest while offering changing perspectives of the surrounding scenery. This approach transforms architecture from a simple shelter into a living experience deeply connected to nature. Simplicity and material selection play a crucial role in the architect's design philosophy. The dark wood cladding used on the exterior gives the house a calm and understated presence within the forest. Inside, expansive glass surfaces maximize natural daylight and allow residents to experience the changing seasons firsthand. Through the lens of photographer Maxime Brouillet, the residence's strong relationship with daylight and the balanced atmosphere it creates with the surrounding landscape are beautifully captured. One of the most striking features of Breathe Lodge Residence is its fragmented and dynamic architectural form. The volumes extend in different directions, allowing each part of the house to frame a unique view while creating a constantly evolving spatial experience. This design approach reflects the architect's broader philosophy of inviting nature indoors, which can also be seen in many of his other works. The residence avoids extravagance, yet its intimate connection with the environment gives it a remarkably powerful architectural identity. Architectural reviews and publications have highlighted Breathe Lodge Residence as a successful example of contemporary architecture that embraces a lifestyle in harmony with nature. Through the balanced use of wood, glass, and the natural landscape, the house becomes more than a physical structure. It offers a philosophy of living centered on peace, tranquility, and reconnecting with the natural world. Rising quietly within the forests of Quebec, this residence stands out as one of the finest examples of how contemporary architecture can redefine the relationship between people and nature.